Welcome to Global Online. In today's science session, we are exploring an essential topic for CTET, that is materials. We will discuss key concept by tackling some important questions and break them down step by step to make it easy. So grab your notes and let's dive into the world of materials. Guys, before moving forward, I would like to introduce Global Online's complete CTET 2024 course covering all the subject with the full syllabus. You will get the access to video lectures and interactive live classes from expert educators. In this course, we have complete syllabus notes, topic-wise MCQs and mock tests to sharpen your skills. This course is made specially for CTET 2024 aspirants, giving you every tool you need for the success. For more details, contact us on WhatsApp on the given numbers, or you can simply download Global Online app from Play Store. Question is, which of the following set belongs to the same period in the modern periodic table? Options are given. Option A, fluorine, chlorine, bromine. Option B, lithium, sodium, potassium. Option C, lithium, magnesium, calcium. And option D, aluminium, phosphorus, chlorine. The correct answer for this question will be option D, aluminium, phosphorus, chlorine, because elements aluminium, phosphorus and chlorine belongs to the third period in the modern periodic table. They are arranged in a same row, whereas the other sets belongs to the different periods. Hence the correct answer is aluminium, phosphorus, chlorine, option D. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following substance is a magnetic? We have options here. Option A, nickel. Option B, zinc. Option C, gold. Option D, graphite. The correct answer for this question will be option A, nickel. The reason is nickel is magnetic material due to its ferromagnetic properties, meaning it aligns with the magnetic field. Other options like zinc, gold and graphite are non-magnetic and do not exhibit this behavior. Hence the correct answer is option A, nickel. Guys, let's move to the next question. What is the purest form of a carbon? We have options here. Option A, diamond. Option B, charcoal. Option C, coke. And option D, coal. The correct answer for this question will be diamond. Because guys, diamond is the purest form of a carbon because it consists of only of carbon atoms arranged in a crystal lattice. Other forms like charcoal, coke and coal contains impurities along with the carbon. Hence, the correct answer for this question is option A, diamond. Let's move to the next question. This metal is extremely light and is used for making airplanes. Option are aluminium, copper, zinc and iron. Correct answer among these options will be option A, aluminium, because aluminium is a lightweight metal with excellent strength and corrosion resistance, making it ideal for construction of airplanes. Its low density reduces the overall weight of the aircraft, enhancing the efficiency of that aircraft. So the correct answer will be option A, aluminium. Guys, let's move to the next question. Which metal are found in a gunmetal? Options are given: copper and tin, copper and zinc, copper, tin and zinc, and option D, gold. The correct answer among the options will be copper, tin and zinc because gunmetal is an alloy primarily made up of copper, tin and zinc. It is known for its strength and corrosion resistance, making it useful in the manufacturing of machinery parts, valves and other industrial components. Hence, the option C will be the correct answer, copper, tin and zinc. Let's move to the next question. In a nuclear reactor, heavy water is used to absorb ... Options are given: neutron, hydrogen, proton and electron and alpha particles. The correct answer for this question will be option A, neutrons, because heavy water, that is D2O containing deuterium, is used in nuclear reactors to absorb neutrons. This helps control the rate of nuclear chain reaction by slowing down the neutrons so they can effectively interact with the fuel. So the correct answer is option A, neutrons. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following element is used in electric light bulb? Options are given: option A, copper, option B, helium, option C, aluminium and option D, tungsten. Guys, the correct answer among the option will be option D, tungsten, because it is used in electric bulbs because it has a very high melting point, which is about 3000 degrees Celsius, and can withstand the heat generated when the bulb is lit. This allows it to glow brightly without melting. So the correct answer is option D, tungsten. Next question is, which of the following metals do not undergo oxidation even after heating in air? Guys, we have options here. Option A, gold and platinum. Option B, copper and lead. Option C, iron and chromium. And option D, iron and zinc. The correct answer among the option will be option A, gold and platinum, because These two are noble metals, meaning they do not easily react with oxygen even when heated. This makes them resistant to oxidation and corrosion, unlike other metals such as iron and zinc. So the correct answer is option A, gold and platinum. Let's move to the next question. To prevent iron pipes from rusting, a zinc coating is applied to them. This process is called dash dash. Options are given: option A, electroplating, option B, galvanization, option C, anodizing, and option D, vulcanization. Guys, the correct answer will be option B, galvanization. The reason is galvanization is a process to apply protective zinc coating to iron or a steel to prevent rusting. The zinc layer helps prevent oxygen and moisture from reaching the iron, thus preventing oxidation and its corrosion. Hence the correct answer is option B, galvanization. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following metals causes air pollution in cities with many vehicles? Options are given: option A, lead, option B, chromium, option C, iron, and option D, carbon. Guys, the correct answer is going to be option A, lead. The reason is lead is a harmful metal that was added in a petrol which is used as anti-knocking agent in a vehicle. This caused air pollution as lead particles were released into the atmosphere from vehicle exhaust. Although its use has been reduced in many countries, lead remains a significant pollutant in older vehicles. So the correct answer is option A, lead. So guys, that's all for today's session on CTET 2024. I hope you found the questions, answers and explanation helpful in your preparation. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the Global Online YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Keep practicing, keep learning, and together we will make sure you are ready to ace the CTET 2024. For any queries or more resources, feel free to connect with us through the details provided in the description below. Thank you for joining me today. Keep pushing forward. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.